Good morning from New York. We are currently down on 34th Street, about to take a ferry boat.
Attention riders. Face covering or mask in order to board the boat, and must keep them on.
Happened to be standing right underneath the speaker when that happened. We are on the ferry port at 34th Street, about to take a ferry boat to Brooklyn. Good morning, we're in Brooklyn. We are took a ferry from Manhattan across. We're in Williamsburg, the coolest part of Brooklyn.
It's Sunday and we're in a cafe called Sunday in Brooklyn.
There's Sunday in Brooklyn at Sunday in Brooklyn. So we're about to have some pancakes, which are high up on our to-do list. They're some of the best pancakes in the whole of New York City. Excited. We got here at like 4:10, sat down, and there's no one here. Now the place is like past.
It's like 2 minutes past.
It's like 2 minutes past 10 in there. Crazy.
That's probably the best brunch I've ever had.
There you go. That was the review. Best brunch she's ever had. It was phenomenal. Double cheeseburger for breakfast, nothing wrong with that. Chocolate chip pancakes that were the size of your head. Good home fries, bacon.
Ice mocha.
Oat milk flat white was fantastic. All round fantastic. Highly recommend Sunday in Brooklyn. We're down here in Domino Park. It's beautiful. There's like beautiful lawns, volleyball court, some very weird installations, great views of the skyline, and a bridge.